Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to train your very own model so you can generate consistent images of yourself, your character, a pet, or even an item. I will be using a service called Astria.ai where it's super easy and pretty affordable to train your model. It costs around $1.5 to $2 per model, which is way cheaper compared to other services like Runway. I've also explored some free alternatives, but they require more time and troubleshooting. That's why I recommend this approach. Let me know if you want a video on a free alternative. After you train your model, you can download it and use Stable Diffusion on your computer to generate unlimited images with your own prompts for free. In my previous video, I showed you how to install Stable Diffusion on your computer, so if you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check it out. With Astria.ai, I trained a model using 20 images of my character, and the results are amazing. With the model, this website generates images for 9 different prompts that showcase your subject in various styles. You can also find a bunch of examples on this website, so you'll have a clear idea of the images your model can generate. The model can also be trained on pets and items such as a car or a hat. Let's begin. All you need to do is to go to the website Astria.ai, and if you don't have an account, then create your own account and then go to Tunes. Here you'll see any model that you created before. So as you can see, here is my model that I created for my character. To create a new model, click on New Fine Tune. And here, let's start by giving a title to our model. It doesn't really matter, so I'll just put my name here. And for the class name, that is actually very important. You need to define on what images you will be training your model. For example, if you are uploading images of yourself, then choose woman or man. If you're uploading images of a group of people, then choose a couple or group. If you're making a model for your pet, then specify your pet, it's dog, cat, I don't know, a bird. Or you can also have an item, a book, a pen, a pencil, a hat, and be as specific as possible. So here I'll just put woman as I am uploading my own images. And here we can upload our photos. Now, I already have prepared those photos, but down here you can see the requirements for your photos. So here you need to upload at least 10 pictures of your subject. Preferably it should be 1:1 aspect ratio. So they also recommend uploading 3 photos of full body or entire object, 5 medium shot photos, and 10 close-ups. They want different pictures, different backgrounds, lighting, different angles, expressions, and emotions. Every picture of your subject should introduce new information about your subject. So don't just upload 20 same images of yourself. So you need to have some variation. Let's go back. Once you prepare your photos, you can upload them. And if you go to advanced, you can choose what model you want to use. So here's Stable Diffusion 1.5 and a new model of Stable Diffusion 2.1. There's also a few other models. Last time I tried Stable Diffusion 2.1 and it worked really well for my character, so I would go with the 2.1 version. Tokens will be important later when we make our prompts, and this is how we refer to our subject. For example, if I want to create my character in a fantasy world, then I will just put SKS in a fantasy world. So if you want to refer to your subject in a different way, then put that name here. For example, I'll put cat and then click create. So it's gonna load some images and it's gonna take around half an hour to complete. After the model training is complete, you will see 9 sample prompts with different images on your subject. So in my case, the model was trained on my photos, so some of these images look exactly like me. So here you can see different styles. The resemblance is shocking. Something like this is crazy. Okay, so now let's download the model. All you need to do is click on the CKPT and it's gonna open the download page, so save it on your computer. After the model has been downloaded, all we need to do is to drag and drop it to our Stable Diffusion folder on our computer. If you don't have Stable Diffusion installed, then check out my video on how to do it. You can find Stable Diffusion folder if you go to Go and Home, and you'll see Stable Diffusion. Now, when we click on it, find Models and Stable Diffusion, and let's drag and drop the file here. Now let's open the terminal and let's run this command. Click enter. It's gonna take a few minutes to process. And then we have our local URL. Copy this, paste it in a new window, and that's it. Now you can try out different prompts for your subject. You can generate unlimited number of images, try out different styles. The only thing is you have to refer to your subject in the same way as you put here in the token. So if you remember, I put cat there. So for example, I can put close-up shot of cat with a cat. Let's see what it's gonna generate. I hope this is cute. This is cute. It resembles me so much that in 10 years I wouldn't think that it's a fake photo. So that's how crazy AI gets. For more prompt ideas, you can go to Astria.ai, and in the gallery section, they have a lot of different prompts, and you can see what images a particular prompt can generate. And so it's easy, you can just copy this prompt, but make sure you replace the subject with your token name. So in my case, it will be cat, woman as princess. Here you can see, you can find a lot of ideas. There is different styles you can play around, check out, and find your favorite prompt. And that's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more AI apps and tutorials. And see you in the next video.